thunderstorms. We've been watching this, and it seems like we have a better chance now for that line of storms to begin west of the metro. So before that rolls east, that likely fires up late afternoon and then brings us storm chances through Thursday evening. With that firing west of the metro potentially, that would mean an increasing chance for those strong storms to move through the metro and through western Iowa. So right now, the main risk area to watch, it's highlighted in yellow. That does include most of the metro and pretty much the entire eastern half of our viewing area. We'll be keeping a close eye on the track and speed of this cold front and how this all holds together. Right now, looks like mainly mid-afternoon on would be the time frame to watch. We have that front pushing in, begins to fire that storm chance, and then through the afternoon, through the evening, that line of thunderstorms moves through the metro and eventually pushes out by late Thursday night. And this will leave us with a cool down for the weekend. We'll have a closer look at that coming up. Dave?
Emily, thanks.
Those are going to be the nicest days of the week. We are tracking some changes, especially around Thursday. That's our next First Alert 6 weather day as a cold front fires up some strong storm potential, and that's going to drive temperatures down heading into the weekend and keep us with a bit more of an active pattern as we hit the weekend. So for tomorrow, looking forward to the returning sunshine and even warmer conditions. Out the door tomorrow, not as chilly as where we started the day today. We'll be down to the mid-50s, quick to warm, mid-60s by 9, a little less wind even compared to today. So overall, very gorgeous for outdoor plans. Mid-80s expected with plenty of sunshine. Plan for that high of 85 for the metro and Red Oak. You can plan for highs closer to 90 as you move out to the west of the metro. 90 in Lincoln, 89 for York, and 88 tomorrow afternoon around Columbus. It'll be a pretty big change by the time we hit the end of this week. Behind our Thursday front, it'll fire up a line of thunderstorms, and with that looking more and more likely to happen west of the metro, that means a higher storm chance for the metro and everywhere out to the east as that line of storms rolls east. We're keeping an eye on the timing of it. Right now, looks like late afternoon to evening for the main risk for severe storms. So this is our setup. By Thursday morning, a cold front will be just out to our west, and as that moves into the area around mid-afternoon, we'll be watching along that frontal boundary for our storms to get started. And as that continues on its track out to the east, that pushes into the metro and eventually out to the east, likely finally clearing the area with the severe threat moving out of western Iowa pretty late on Thursday night. Now, our main area to watch for severe potential, that's highlighted in yellow. That includes most of the metro areas to the south and everywhere out to the east. At this point, looks like all severe threats are on the table. So hail, wind, we can't rule out a little bit of spin on these storms, but we'll get a better idea of how everything is shaping up as we get a little bit closer to Thursday. And we'll be taking a closer look at the cool down that settles in behind this coming up. Dave?
Emily, thank you.